This time, some more pipe testing. I have a bunch of headers here, some of them you may have seen on my channel before. I'll be testing them on my normal test subject, being my big cam VVTi 4age. As always, full spec list in the description. The main part of the video will be testing the new 421 headers. As you can see, the 2.1 section is extra long at the moment. The 2.1 section is removable, so I can test different lengths. I'll start with the current length and then cut them down roughly 100mm at a time until we find the best compromise. To keep the testing fair as possible and not to deafen everything in a 5 km radius, I'll run them all with this old 3-inch straight through muffler I have here. So righto, let's get to the testing. As you can see, somewhere between 500 and 700 millimeters seems the best, mainly in the bottom end. The top end doesn't seem to do much. I also done one more test off camera, so I'll throw that in the graphs now. Then we'll move on to the 38mm 4:1s. So the 4:1s are doing a pretty nice job compared to the 4:1s, but it doesn't really tell the whole story, as they work better with my full exhaust system, which has a bit more wizardry going on rather than just a straight through muffler. So yeah, that was a fun time. I usually let the dyno do the talking and let everybody come up with their own conclusions. I've had a lot of people asking for my take on things. So my takeaway here is 4:1 or 4:1 doesn't matter so much, more the execution of either style. And also what's after the merge can have a big effect. So yeah, the next logical step will be to try the 4:2s on a full system, which will make it onto a future project